Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to share your screen on Google Meet on your phone. So that works on iPhones, iPads, Android phones, any phone. It's really easy to do. You actually have a couple different options to do it. So you could either, once you're in a call already, you could either click on your name here and you will see three dots in the top right corner beside the volume button. And if you're not in a call and you recently left a call or you want to rejoin a call, instead of clicking on rejoin, you can click on the name of the call there, and then you can click on present right here. And then it will tell you about screen sharing, and you could broadcast your screen like that. I'm not going to go fully through with it right now because I'm screen recording in a video, but that's how to do it if you're not in the call already. And like I said, if you're in the call, you can just click on the three dots beside the volume button in the top right corner. And that's how easy it is to present your screen. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.